Hi cuties, I am Sakshi. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So tonight we are just gonna spend the night together. I think it would be super fun to just hang out and do our things. So today is a Sunday and I just want to do a couple of things before I sleep. So the things are like I want to clean my room, I want to do my hair care routine, I want to do my skincare routine, I want to do my body care routine. Other than these things, I want to shoot a video tomorrow. So I kind of have to plan out for that tonight. So I'm gonna do that. And also at the end of this night, I also want to read. Yeah, let's just get into the video.
Life is a game, and the really confident energy to be able to show up in the world. Just because you have been a particular way for decades of your life so far does not mean you have to also be that exact same way tomorrow. And strike up a conversation, and guess what? I did exactly that. Step number 2 is essential. Your life can change at any given moment, and you lock the character trait. You unlock another part of your avatar. You get to level up how to do anything. Social media literally allows you to build a career for yourself. Even when it comes to creating a business, it's now easier than ever to grow in my. The longer that you play the game, the more experienced you are going to become as you go. Or losing weight or looking a certain way. No, it's about never coffee when you only eat fast food, when you never move your body, you're going to be sluggish. You're boring AF, and no one would want to play it if it was just a straight line from start to finish. Your actual experience of playing the game, it makes it a really great way to do this is to frame your tasks as challenges. So like 2025 even arrives. Step number 6 is that every single moment is one day. It's one day you know you're gonna leave, and then you're gonna start all over again. Your knowledge on how to, because you simply go thinking your desired reality and your inner. So let's start choosing thoughts that actually benefit us and help us get to the ideal version of ourselves and the end goal, and be certain of the outcome because you were controlling it all along. And finally, winning was never about competing others. Same goes for when you were creating a life.
You guys, I'm done cleaning the room, so I thought I'm just gonna do my skincare, my hair care stuff right now. Also, you guys, I got this heatless hair curlers thingy, and I really want to try it and see how it would work. So, yeah, we're just gonna use this tonight, and I'm very excited to use it. We're gonna use it in some time. First, I should do my skincare routine. Also, I'm watching a video on YouTube right now. Plus, I uploaded the video about my skincare, like my nighttime skincare routine today only. So, you guys can go and watch that one. If you guys would like to know what I use at night times, I'm going to use all those products only. So
Dark outside, it's like raining. I got a good night's sleep. However, I did wake up at like 4:30 and I finished Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. Raining right now, and so just kind of find some stuff that I could decorate my room with a little bit that I picked up from the library in the last video, if you saw that. And it's called Heaven. It's like pretty thin. I bought some, I don't know, what are they? It's like a penguin, a reindeer, and maybe a dog and a Santa. And then this is also like kind of ornaments, but I think they're wooden and I can paint. I mean, I can't do like little unserious crafty projects. Whoa. Oh no. Comes around. But it comes around so much quicker if you start seeing the beauty in winter. On my walk, I imagined all the life underneath the ground, all the squirrels and hedgehogs and foxes. Sometimes I do like to, because it started raining at that point. I also brought my new book and like the old one to do that. Have a little cozy Christmassy night. And also I have to show you why not? But it's for cats. The Grinch and little crafts.
also, you guys, I just did my hair and they look very funny and I look very funny. But we're gonna ignore that. We will see how it will do its magic in the morning and how it would look on my hair, or if it would be like a complete fail. So I'm done with my skincare routine and my hair care routine. And now I just want to sit down and kind of plan what I want my life to be like and my 2025 to be like. So that's what we're gonna do right now, and it would be super fun. So let's do this together.
Really want a photo with s'mores, so we asked some locals.
So you guys, I spent way too long doing this brain dump session, and it was very helpful for me. I did not think it would be this nice to just sit down and do like a brain dump session for myself. And this is something that I would even suggest you guys to try out, and just sit down with your thoughts and just journal out whatever you are thinking and whatever you expect out of your life and whatever you want out of your life. Trust me, you will love this so much, and I loved it so much. So yeah, once I was done with this, then I just went straight to bed because I was very tired and I had a very long day. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow for the next video, and till then, I love you guys. Bye bye. Take care.
We go so good together. We look so good together. No stress, take off the pressure. You wanna see the stars, but I got something better. You look like Calabasas.